Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're just going to make a pen tutorial. So in this pack I've got some pens to make some beaded pens. It was a 40 set pack, but I have made some pens already using this. This was just from Amazon and it was a pack of mixed colours, so I will link this down below. And then here I have a box of just a whole jumble of beads, which I did a video in my recent Temu haul. So I'm going to just show you how I use these pens and how I make beaded pens. So I'll show you what's in here. So you obviously get your whole bundle of pens, they all come wrapped, and that's just how the pens are. And all you literally need to do is twist off that top cap. I've just undone that, and your beads go on there. In the pack as well, you do get spare packs of the pen tips, so they're in the pack. I think they're blue and black, don't quote me on that, I'd have to double check the listing. But you get the pens have the pen tips already in, but you get spare ones in the pack as well. So as mentioned in previous videos, these pen blanks do have quite thick wire, so you do need beads with quite big holes. So that's why I did a recent Temu haul to get beads that hold those. So I'm going to try and make just a couple of pens with you guys just to show you my process. So as I've got this pen out, we'll make this colour. I'll move those to the side. So without further ado, let's get making a pen. So I always try and get a smaller type bead to try and sit in that hole. So we'll see if that one fits, and you see like that, that just fits perfectly inside the pen, as you can see there. And then it's just a case of getting complementary beads. And now these big hole beads, they fit quite nicely on there. They will rattle about a bit, but I'm just going to find beads, and I think I want to use this purple duck as well, because let me just check it fits. Oh yeah, see that? So we'll make it, do we need complementary? Like that, and then maybe another one of those. See, like these, they might be too small. Oh no, that fits. I feel like I need that below the duck. So let me take that off. Put that one below the duck. Then, no. See, it's a case of just playing about. So we'll put that duck back on. I'll put that one back on. And maybe, no, see that bead, the heart would be sideways so it doesn't go. Let's see here. No. So it's a case of getting your beads to fit and enough that they're up to that cord. So it's all about trial and error. So I'm going to put two of those together first. Then I'm going to put the duck. Then I found one of these spacer beads, and I thought that looked quite good, like a little crown on the duck, and the little clear bead, and then you screw the lid on, and like that, that's how you have a pen complete. So let me get one more colour out. Well, I'll make one more colour with you. They really are really quick to make. The longest bit is just finding the beads that you want to use. So let me make one more pen with you. So I was going to make this black pen. It seems to be having an issue that the clicker to put the pen back in seems to be a bit faulty. So I'm going to revert to making the white pen, and I've got some beads ready. So I was going to do some black beads, or marbly black beads, but I might just change those up. Gone for a little clear white bead. Then we're going for these flowery big hold beads, then the white duck. Then it has one of these bead caps but with the crystal clear. Then another one of the flower beads. Then another one of these clear AB beads, and then I've got one of these tiny little beads, but it just fits to leave me the thread. Hold on to the beads to screw on that lid, and there you go, and then that pen actually works. So I really like these ducks on the pens, and I've actually ordered, I think, some hearts in this sort of iridescent colour. So here are the ducks. This duck is lower down than that duck. Does it matter? Probably not. What could I put there? Could I hide the duck? Don't think it matters. But yeah, I want to make more of these duck pens as it's coming up to Easter. Might be a good time to make them. But this is a really simple tutorial just to show you how I use these pens, how I put them together. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's just a quick one for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.